Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have TORY Lanez here, the new king of disco. This cool song, Crystal Strawberry, what a cool name there on this song here, very flashy. So Crystal Strawberry, we have this 3 chords going on here with one single strumming pattern. According to every chord here, so we'll look at that. No need for any cape on this one, so let's dive right into the chords here. We have first the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A minor next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And we'll end here with a bar chord, that's the F. So you place the bar over all strings like this. You bar on the 1st fret there, and then you need to add a 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so it will be in this chord progression order here, as we learned the chord, the G, A minor, and F from the beginning till the very end. So we'll start with G. So you're gonna play down, down, up, clap for this first G, okay? So down, down, up, clap. All right, and then you immediately change to the A minor and play down, down, clap. Okay, so A minor and play down, and a short pause in between the downs there, and then comes the clap. So down, down, clap. Okay, so from G. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap. And then you go to F and play the same as you played for A minor, the same strumming there, but you're gonna play it for 2 rounds. So down, down, clap, down, down, clap. And then a longer pause after the final clap there. And then you're at the next round. So with F it will be, and then next round. So slowly, 1 full round, or actually we can play 2 rounds so you see how the next round starts and the timing and all that will sound like this. Actually 4 rounds there just for you to understand how to play it with timing, like I said. And if you just speed it up a little bit more from what I just played, and then you have the original standard tempo there for TORY Lanez, Crystal Strawberry. Give it a try if you love disco. I do, and I hope you enjoy this. So if you did it, if you enjoyed this, please let me know and support me here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.